Hey guys, sanibonani. Nani niyazi ukuthi mengivela kuma screen enu kusho khona ukuthi nginiphathele nje isigaxa sendaba. So guys, did you guys hear ukuthi ubaba wethu esimhlonipha kakhulu lo waziwa ngoTawu has been married again. And it is said ukuthi umuntu amshadile umshiya ngiminyaka eminingi kabi. Intombazana, I think she's 23. Yeah, she's 23 and he's 57 allegedly, and they have a 5-year-old. So now he has taken the next step of actually getting married to her. So now when we do our calculations, siyabona ukuthi babe nengane when untombazana was 17, meaning ukuthi 57 minus 5 is what? 52. So he was 52 and the girl was 17 when they had their first child, and now 5 years later she's 23 and they're getting married. Well, siyabahalalisela, I guess. Yeah, sizothini isemhlabeni lana, right, after all. And congratulations allegedly to everything.